In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Zoom app error from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this app but you are encountering this or any other related error, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so first you want to ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, and if you are not able to install while connected to the stable internet, then you need to go to Google Play Store and make sure you are trying to install the app while logged in using your Gmail account. However, if you are unable while logged in, then just tap on your profile icon here and go down to settings. Now from settings, look for network preferences here, and here choose app download preference, and here we have these three options. If it is set to over Wi-Fi only, change this to over any network. This will ensure that you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. From here, tap on OK to save the changes and try installing your app. However, if this didn't fix your problem, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store, and we can do that by just going to settings, and from settings scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Google Play Store, and here it is. Now here on Google Play Store, first go to force stop here and confirm. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then you want to go to clear data and then tap on it and choose the last option, clear cache, and OK. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and now go to Google Play Store, open it and activate search, and now I'll search for Zoom, and if I run search, now look at that, we have our Zoom app here. I'll try to install and see if the problem has been fixed, and now look at that, I'm now able to download and install Zoom Workplace app. At this moment, if you still can't install the app, then you need to check on your storage, free app space on your phone by deleting unwanted or unused apps, as well as files such as images and videos on your phone. So that's how you can fix can't install Zoom app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.